When I told us that some people intentionally refuse to participate or to stop insecurity like they normally stopped it in before, some of you don't understand it. Men on ground slow their work down, okay, by someone's instruction. Somebody made that possible for them to do that, and we are not going to waste much time on this video. I just want to prove that statement that we often say here, and many people have said that, and I'm not the only one, that somehow, early this year, January, or maybe January, February, March, and still ongoing. If you know, you know. Some people, somewhere decided to slow down the activities of Biafra Liberation Army because of their personal gain. Yes, a lot of people have tried to say something about that. Some are saying it with sentiment. Some who want to say it are saying it with fear. But the truth is that we are not here to make propaganda or to lie against anybody. What you are seeing here is just one of the evidence. Like last time I talked about it, I said that Betty Ford says something about it, and that is why I felt that she's something else. Okay, I don't want the video to be centered on her, but for you to understand that that statement that we have made here, or people have said maybe in other platforms, is not just a mere talk. There is a video or a post, you may say and evidence to back it up. What you are seeing here is from the account of this person that many of you, have a different belief about him. His identity has been questioned severally, and we are not here to talk about his identity, but for you to go close to the post that he made far back then, February 11, 2025. This post was made when the whole thing was getting, heating up, and like he is not the only one. Other people have said that, like before that I mentioned, she just said her own, verbally. Many of them have said it. How many of you, maybe if I'm sure I'm not the only one. Many, if you have seen that, please put it on comment section. Like, have you seen any of them saying that, where is your madam? Call your madam to come and do something. Say your madam said saying she they recruit a new army and all that. Call her and her army to come and save you. That was when Asad Dokubo and some armed group, security department of security forces of Nigeria, army and what have you, were busy buying our people for no just reason. And that is why we have to go through this post, okay, together. We have to go through the post because this post will help you to understand that single act, what they have done, that they are now trying to wipe it away. I took my time to go through, this person account to bring out this post because I remember when he made it post only. I happened to be one of those who viewed it when he posted it, and I was like, wow. I was thinking that somehow maybe it's a joke, but it is now it has been proven that that thought that many of us had happened to be true. And now let's go through the post. But before then, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and tell us what you think about what they are saying here. Have you seen any of them? Have you come across any related post or comment from Ogenkere camp in the past? Okay, some of you may say, oh, but you said that the Ogenkere is one that slowed it down now. These people are working for him. Don't get it twisted. They are working for him, and he himself actually have told us that COS has something to do with the Biafran Liberation Army. They don't know him, they don't know her, and they're not working for her. They somehow use it, talk to Butoso in the past. Butoso have come out sometimes and made some utterances that did not go down well with many Biafrans. And it has been back and forward all this while. And I don't know, lately we are not hearing anything about that anymore. To be honest with you, I don't have any intel or anything going on, whether they are for USB or not. And I'm not interested anymore about it because everything is getting, interesting. But the only thing I want us to understand is that na mmiri na-ama keke saso ya nini ya mmiri na-ama uru na arụmọka na yoko. So it's just that whoever you may be, wherever you may are, the truth is that if our land is good, you will benefit. If our land is on fire, of course, we will also be a partaker. Now, let's go through the post from this guy. Then we can now make sense out of it. He said, the moment I lift the order, let me see if I can be able to put my uh, marks on that so that you follow my hand, because this is a quick reaction video. You can see that I'm recording it, um, just like this way. Now let's go this way. Let's go through the post rather. You see, the moment I leave the order, I put across all commanders, Ngozi, Orabueze, and Ugo, that's Ugo 247. None came out to say our army have resumed duty. Ha 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 ha. He was just laughing, right? These people are so funny. Biafrans, you cannot understand me when I said the reason I stopped the operation then was then. Do you know what I mean by then? That then, he's referring to weeks or months, because this post was made on February, remember, meaning that immediately after the declaration of Biafra, when Ogenkere begin to frown face and they begin to have secret meeting and all that, they quickly told men on ground to slow down in a kind of agitating that they don't want to work with CS. So Biafra will be like, oh, what's going on? Oh, if they don't want to, please go, 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 go. You know, that kind of thing, to help them to achieve what they want. I'm not here to tell you that this will you are right or you are wrong, but I can only tell you that it is wrong to stop men on ground from operating no matter what, because innocent people paid their life, gave their life for that. If you know, you know, which is very, very bad, very, very bad. And now you are telling us to, to trust you and do this and that. That can you bring the life of those people back? It's not as if you don't have what it takes to stop it. It would have been different. But as long as you are able and you have what it takes to stop them from buying all innocent people from our land, I don't think it's something that you can just wipe away just like that. Okay. These people are so funny, Biafran. You cannot understand me when I said the reason I stopped the operation then was because as things were going, she will claim the glory of the aftermath by telling you all that her recruited army did it, and Umu Otobo will help her now because she read my post where I said I wanted the operation to resume in March. Nakwegenti. But because of the nature of things, I decided to shift it down. Meaning that this is when he was trying to, struggling to present himself to you as Butozo. Naigenti, because it's still fresh in our memory, because she read my post where I said I wanted the operation to resume in March, but because of the nature of things, I decided to shift it down. Now she and her cabals are now posting Botozo is back to operational mode. Now you can connect the dot on my post. Now you can connect the dot on my post, because what you don't know is bigger than you with this post and all that. Now, this is somebody who claimed that he's Botozo, and when what he said here, that COS and go 247 and Biafra and Umo Utobo, according to him, okay, are not jubilating and celebrating that Botozo is back, was when Butoso and COS reached an agreement of, they come in good time. They arrive at a kind of agreement. They agreed to work together then, and he made a voice note that was circulating. With that voice was circulated on the internet and all that, which Ogenkere also struggled to go back and reverse many of that, and then USB also come back and reverse it back again. Like I said, then it was off and on, back and forward, until everybody begin to respect their name, recently, because even if they're going through a lot or not, we don't often hear that like we normally do. And everybody seems to start looking for a different strategy to counter each other and all that. Now, this is not a bad, it's not as if they are dragging government with anybody. It's just that okay, great and success took advantage of that and climbed the way they have done. But they did not climb on people. They don't climb on minds of Biafrans. They actually use people like them, in as na bed of the same feather flock together, right? You cannot just make a friend or somebody that have different attitudes from you. Good friends always share something in common. You have to be a friend of somebody that is like you. And there's ndị Igbo na-ekwu kwa sị na onye na-eme ka nsị eme ya ka nna kpọọ ya mụ. So they are all friends because they have similar character. That character is what? Forcing themselves on people, believing that they have the mandate of the people, whether they don't have. For example, this person called Royce, nobody know him. I don't even want to know him. I'm not telling that, oh, he's a bad person, he's an evil. I don't know him. Why would I say that? What I'm saying is that some of the comment that he's making and his own side of story is always suspicious, highly suspicious. You told us that you are Butozo, but when Butozo says something differently, you come back, your reaction will tell that you are not Butozo. And like, I'm not here to explain to you whether Butozo or not. He is not Butozo. Officially, I can tell you that categorically clear that he's not. But that's not the issue. The issue is, why are they having the same mindset, the same attitude, and they somehow, lie and lie and lie and lie. I have a lot of screenshots from his post where the threatening this guy is dishing out, even recently. Don't worry, I will bring another video where we are going to talk about the threat that he's circulating of late, and the one in the past. We are going to talk about it with other things anyway, because I just want to be bringing it little by little so that you will connect the dots when we say that Ogenkere and his camp stop men on ground is not a propaganda, is not a cooked up story, is not to drag him down, it is a reality. And some of you may say, well, but he later declared sit at home in commiseration, or a kind of just to react to the people that lost their life because of their single act. The question is, can sit at home revive the lives of those ones that we have lost? I remember, bodies of people in Imo State. The video was like, immediately after they started dragging, because he thought that pushing CS away is just like a walk back, it's just like walking in the park, very easy, very simple. That they do not expect it to last 1 week, just like Nigerian government or Nigerians in 1967 believe that they can stop their France within a week or 3 days, and they dragged it to 3 years. Do you understand what I'm saying? So sometimes when you look down on people, you don't know their capability, you don't know their strength, you don't know if an akurofego. It may not be easy as you thought. That's why people should stand on anything that is good. Forget about your personal interest. We all have our personal interest. If you begin to drag it to the interest of everybody, what do you think will happen? Even your own self, you will be busy arguing and forget and abandon your own. It will be a problem to everybody. But using your personal issue to commit nuisance is something that everybody should condemn. This post, means a lot. This post means a lot. And if you don't understand what I mean by that, let us read the first line again. The moment I lift the order, I put across all commanders. Simply meaning that these people, or him, or that, whether him or not, the camp of Ogenkere intentionally refuse to work because of what? They want to prove a point. And when you challenge them, or when you make a comment like this, they will start telling you that when you come back, they're waiting for you to buy you. Like I said, I don't want to mix this video with the issue of the threat. Many of them have done, or they're still doing that. One thing about Igbo youth sometimes is when they when they threaten you or threat anybody, don't say they're just talking. I'm just saying, don't say they're just talking. They actually mean that if they happen to get hold of you, they will do that nonsense there. That the same thing that you are not saying in your mind as I'm talking. That's what they will do. and it's very, very bad. Very, very bad. So let us not just ignore those threats, but for the whole world to understand that these people are threatening their brothers and sisters simply because they have different opinion. Imagine me now using my platform to support somebody who is threatening another person. I can't do that. Even like I said here severally, some of us, trying to correct me on that I should not just say that if I say anything that is going to happen to Gekere, that I will not be a party to that. Yes, life is life. You see, you can argue with your brother, you can refuse to share the same common value, everything. Sabo is a sabo, whether you agree or not, whether threaten his life or not. A sabo too, I want to have get something, which is monetary value, or to command to be in the hem of affair, just for them to sabotage them more. The life of a sabo is that once the more they go up, if they maybe the rank is being pushed up, the more you push them up, the more dangerous they are because they will use that office to sabotage their people, and that will be a very huge, have a very huge effect on them. So it's not as if you do that, you stop them from sabotaging. No, a sabo is always a sabo. And I'm not trying to tell you that anybody is a sabo here, but what I'm trying to tell you is that this is what they have done, and that is why we have to condemn that. Many of you may say, but Betty Ford already said, go and get call on Orabueze to bring her own recruited people and what have you. The issue is that this recruitment they are talking about is they are not even they can't even point finger and tell you that truly they recruited anybody, because I also was someone told me that that recruitment is just like a way to shake the people that hold our freedom, if like Nigerian government and all that, to feel that Biafrans are. I don't want to go there, but but these people don't understand that. They actually believe that the recruitment happened through that, that kind of thing. But let me not judge. But if you pay attention, and I'm trying to find a way to pass this message so that you can be able to decode it. But sharp ones, people that are very smart, must have. I believe that you have captured the message already. So let me just withdraw anything from there. But you cannot ignore the fact that Biafrans are not happy the way they slowed everything down. Many people that are not with Ogekere today, because of this issue, they refuse to support and they refuse to follow Ogekere because it's all about lies. Look at another statement he made here. He said, "Look at this one." He said, "Okay, let me start from this one." I said, I stopped the operation. I stopped the operation then was because as things were going, she will claim the glory of the aftermath. So because you don't want COS, that is how deep the hatred on her is. Do you understand it? Because they don't want to they don't even want her to claim something. Then it's better we let us just refuse to give them to protect Biafra, so that anybody that they buy it will serve as a lesson to everybody. The question is, what is the offense of those victims that makes you to turn away from? And remember, the equipment and everything you're using is not personal. It is contribution that France made to stop our people being massacred for fun, and they ignored it, and people paid dearly. Honestly, each time I remember that, I feel like that's the pain I have about what happened is the reason why I try to dig this post, because I have to search it on his platform. I spend time to locate this particular post you're seeing here now. So my people, like the video. I want to know your own. What is your take? What's your take? God bless you, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn the bell notification on so that whenever we post a video, you will be among those who will receive it first. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.